I'm at Worli Koliwada fishing village. The sun is just about to set. There in front of me is the Bandra Worli Sea Link. Fishing boats. These are small fishing boats. Fishermen arranging their nets. Here I made a discovery regarding the purchase of fishing trawlers. This is the largest trawler, brand new, being fabricated. Internal fabrication work going on. You can hear the noise inside the boat. Finally, the engine will be fitted. Inquiring with the concerned authorities, the cost of this hull is about 4 lakhs, approximately 4 lakhs, along with the final engine fitting and clearances, etc., etc. The total final cost would amount to approximately 10 lakhs. A vessel of this size can sail out in the high seas and remain floating for fishing purposes for approximately 5 days. They carry ice along with them and can return after 5 days in the high seas. Reminds me of my own fishing experience sailing on one of these canoe boats years ago. Awesome. Ahoy!